Alright guys, good afternoon. This is Coconut Freaks here, and this is New Year's 2021. And we are here with Andrew, Alicia, and Josh. We are getting this tonight's show set up. Pyromoto guy here. We have a rack of Anarchy shells with, yep, there's the Anarchy shells there with a Master 7 salute shell. Are you guys going to the gas station? Mm-hmm. Alright, they're going to the gas station. Right, they'll be back. Alright, I'm gonna go with them. And then in this rack here we have random shells. I just found in my box down in my basement. Random. Bunch of random shells on fast, slow fuse. This is gonna be on fast. It's gonna be before or after the finale.
It's gonna be the very first thing we're gonna do.
It's gonna be the very first thing we're gonna do.
It's gonna be the very first thing we're gonna do.
All right. Then we have Willow's 9-shot, Crocodile Hunter 9-shot. We have Fire Drake by Power Blast and Willow Wizard by Power Blast. And then for the grand finale, we have this mother. My hand for comparison.
I'm gonna pull it out.
I'm gonna hide the name.
Fair enough.
I'm gonna hide the name. Otherwise, I'm gonna get 100 dislikes and 2 likes. Okay, and then we have High Life, along with the Orbitron by, I think, Grand Patriot. And then we have some Outer Limit rockets for some fillers. But, yep, this is how it's looking, guys. It's not nearly as insane as our 4th of July's are, but it's something, and we're going to have a great time. We don't have as much time, that's for sure, because really, if you guys look here, we're in kind of a, well, you can't even see. Kind of a nicer neighborhood, so we don't want to just disrupt the peace. So, yep. We're about to here soon, though. All right, so me and Josh are about to light off a rocket here. What is it?
Outer Limits.
All right, let's do this.
I don't even have a lighter. Sarah.
Okay, we're doing the, what is it called?
Orbitron, baby.
The Orbitron. We're doing the Orbitron. Hey, look at.